The last game of your Saturday triple header dito sa Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League. Ang liga ng bawat Pilipino. Coach Mike, so far we've seen good games today. I'm sure a lot of people did not expect the last game to be as close as it was. This game you have Hayek. Stopper Parañaque. Manalang open at the elbow. Manalang has been taking more jumpers compared to last year, coach, with this Parañaque team.
And right off dito kay Jello Rason, kundi para pumuntos din kung kinakailangan.
Ibanez, well, he's a guy that Coach Buds Reyes on Bulacan side expects.
Not bad for a Robin to Paolo last time. 21 points, 4 out of 11 from 3. Another basket right here para sa Parañaque.
Expect this place to be rocking and roaring.
I mean, perimeter is pretty much his specialty.
Something that you never want to see happen if you're Parañaque. Venezuela, Coach Mike Sagigit has been giving him a lot of trust in that starting unit. But talking about trust, what about Andre Dada repaying the trust given to him by trying to go down low to Paulo Hubalde. Hubalde met by the defense on the baseline. Unfortunately, the help wasn't present.
Yeah, they're gonna continue to milk that mismatch.
Andre Dada closed out hard by Paulo Castro. Hernandez, the drop step, finishing off the glass.
Boy, and you love the activity here.
Yi will take it from the outside. That's off to the left. Rebound to Duba. He really has been a fierce rebounder all these years. And he gets the stick back too.
Tama ka dun.
Hindi pa rin nawawala yung laban niya on the glass as Paulo Hubalde all these years. Hindi pa rin nawawala yung touch from the outside.
At kung patusto mo dyan, tinitira with confidence, just like this one right here. Man.
Paulo Hubalde did have a career night last game against Bataan.
Live with where you are now. You're 4-1.
Sarao on to Duba and he rises and scores.
Now, JP Sar
looking at how this play will materialize. Bounce pass Hernandez. Nice fake and one opportunity for Tristan Big Boy Hernandez. He recognized Uduba. JP Sarawa, spin, crafty move right there. Just a basic move by
slow post, mid post, anywhere. He's got that move.
Even a deadly 15 to 18 foot jumper. But talking about deadly jumpers, John Carandang has shown us that he can hit it from. Razon triggers into Villanueva, checks his feet, sets, fires, and scores.
That'll be just a long two. Both his feet are within the 3-point.
Roaya, the drive, stripped by Carandang. Montero ahead of the back. Joshua Montero all the way.
Life turnovers, off to the races, exactly what Bulacan's been doing. So
the score, 29-15, our end of first quarter scores brought to you by GameX. The official 0 out of 2, but Marky, look at him sky for that offensive rebound. Push shot. You leave him that much space, he's gonna drain that.
Production para dito sa team mo.
Hernandez gets the great shovel pass from the Aquaman. These two have
gotta run it quick the other end habang hindi nakaset up ang defense.
Keith Pido gets past the D. Marky inside for 2.
And so far, that's how they've been scoring. Get that defense.
Manalang almost lost his defender. Ball is on the right side. Keith Pido working two-man game with Marky. Manalang for 3. Swishes it through.
Which closed that gap.
Yeah, I'm glad you mentioned that, Coach, because if you've been watching or following Bulacan's games as Manalang hits from the perimeter, there's so much sides to pass it at the last moment. Turnover. Ibanez goes hard. Ibanez will score.
A good decision right there for Philip to stay out of the way.
Rebound to Keith Pido. Pido able to knock down the shot.
That was literally 3x3 right there.
Manalang goes to Sarao.
Nice cut.
Andre Villanueva from the speed cut. Push. Manalang to the corner. Johnny Villanueva won't settle for the outside shot. Andre Villanueva makes it 34-33.
Now this
Ted got it. Working against Jason Celis. Paulo Castro rises from 18. Paulo Castro will score.
boy did Paulo Castro need that.
Ibanez, no. Rebound once again para dito sa Bulacan, and Christian Hernandez scores to tie the game back up at 36.
Now
36 all. Our halftime score brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the NPBL. The first mentioned that nabasa na ng Parañaque yung tinatakbo ng Bulacan in that second quarter. This time they ran something different.
yeah, that's right.
Keith stops, pops, jumper a little bit too strong. Look who has the offensive rebound. John Uduba will put it up and in.
Well, we talked about John earlier, the value that he brings, especially in that first quarter run.
Still perfect at the line. Ibanez, that's a tough pass. Hernandez was wide open. Ibanez, the getaway for two.
Well, it's a good thing that Paulo Hubalde was the one who inbounded that.
Ibanez on the left, shot clock winding down. Ibanez on an island against Villanueva. Ibanez to bail them out. Done. Yee to the right side. Razon leaves it. Castro gets the 2 points.
That's a more comfortable shot for Paulo Castro. Early.
Definitely words of wisdom coming from the Aquaman. But, siyempre, kung makakapanalo ka naman, why not, right?
Correct. Tama yun. And those words are really big.
Pido sees a seam in the defense. Perimeter Che is down and through.
I like how Jed
Razon, he's 0 out of 7 from the field tonight. Carandang having trouble with the basketball. Hubalde, they need this.
Oh, wow.
Paulo Hubalde for 3.
How about that shot made by Paulo?
It's a screen from Hernandez. Christian Rose. Sarao is on him. The tap by Marquis. Hubalde swishes it through. Paulo Hubalde, the Aquaman. Hesitation. Out to the left side. Keith Pido puts the ball on the deck. Keith Pido, the basket and one.
I mean, you never get beat baseline or sideline. Coaches would always tell you. And that
sees Marquis and Philip Manalang inside. Manzo, the scoop and the score.
that time around, defensive lapse on
Manzo fakes the 3, goes inside.
Galing.
Nobody home to stop that layup.
Galing.
The end of the period, 58-56, and the third quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official. Parañaque. Razon almost comes away with a steal. Celis, big basket on that left corner.
That's the beauty about baseline out.
Uduba goes to Keith Pido. Pido steps back, trains that jumper. What a play by Keith Pido. Uduba, quick attack, baseline shot, good. 61-60.
Manzo's got no chance. He's not going to be strong enough to defend against him.
Ibanez finds an opening. Nino Ibanez. He's a talented slasher para sa Bulacan. And Philip will pull up. Jumper is no good. Manzo tried to get it for himself. Razon ends up with it. Jello Razon from 14 feet.
Oh boy, did he need to see that ball go in.
Hands it off to Ibanez. Marquis switches out onto him.
Ooh.
Oh, good pick and roll defense right there by Parañaque. Razon all the way. 2 points. The Patriots back in the lead. Marquis hands it off. Razon, quick trigger. A fourth quarter is the domain of Cielo Razon. To the corner. Villanueva loves those spots. Kept alive here by Marquis. Push shot. That's money for the living legend.
You don't close out on that veteran from
Villanueva now trying to answer. Villanueva also with a difficult shot. Villanueva flares, hits nothing but the side of the backboard, and he gets it back. Villanueva redeems himself right away.
He was frustrated missing that shot.
With aspirations of more time on the floor. He's been getting that a lot, while Carandang answering back with a three-point shot.
That shot was crazy.
A highly emotional, highly physical, action-packed ball game.
Oh.
Keith Pido with a big basket off the ceasefire. Pido, 1 minute and 23 remaining. It's with Jello Razon now. Mr. Clutch for Parañaque. Razon once again. Oh my goodness. Coach Mike, we're just wrapping up our first month of the season, but I've seen Jello Razon hit minute and 13 seconds left in this game. Can the Cuyas still get back? Paulo Balde is not finished yet.
Yeah, and what a shot by Paulo right there.
Under a minute to play, Manalang in and out against the defense of Christian Hernandez. Philip Manalang swishes that jumper through everybody, delivering here for Parañaque in the end game. Ubalde will take it. Too strong, and that's it. What a big W here for Parañaque on their home floor. Heartbreaker of a loss on this very floor against the Valenzuela Classic. And coach, your pick for best player of the game was Jello Razon.
Yeah, we were, back and forth until the very last minute, but Jello's the guy.
Our best player of the game brought to you by Buenas. A lot of great contributors to this Parañaque W. Philip Manalang, Marky, Keith Pido hitting big shots as well in the fourth. 79-73, our final score brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas.